TV news. You have IUB completed, and it's in use. You have health center at Akpoti. You have and listen. Can you listen? You have the health center at Ugoloma. You have another Oganama. Haven't that right? Now, all the health centers are supposed to have doctors. They have doctors. Yes. If you say no, get up. Any health center without a doctor, you get up. There is doctor. You see, you just try to say no without getting the question. I will repeat the question. Can I repeat the question? Any health center without a doctor, get up. So we have doctors in all the health centers. Yes. Okay. Road. Can you listen? I have done a road we named Chief Rufus Adajor Green Road, right? Have I? I have also awarded a contract to retain land at Obama, 2 of us. Are they working? Commissioner for Works. Commissioner for Works. They are not working again. Just going to say, a few weeks ago, the contractor was on site. The contractor is due second payment, and the file is in the office of the governor. In the next 2 weeks, I'm sure the governor will attend to that file, and then we'll move on to site. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? You know, when there's a problem with money, it's with governor, right? Okay, now I've heard that you are going to go and pay contractor. But what I'm asking you today is that we must complete this year. You hear that? Then there was a promise I made to other people. I said, this road is failing. This road. And I did not fix it now from refinery into your city. Then we will have a good road in the future. We have awarded the contract, but I don't think the contract has come to sign. So I think we have paid it this week. We have paid the contractor, the same contractor called JDP. The same contractor that is the main one, the same person we gave the contract to reconstruct the old road and get it to the new one that we have. So we are not that.